Gunmen, if you see a gunman, run for your life. I say, gunmen, a coming kwa, and a gunman, nobody will marry a gunman, a man who is a gun, because they don't respect women. They don't use women to do anything. 99.9 of gunmen abuse women.
Right, me ma kwa ba edoba adepa TV. Na enrada no na ensem bi etwegu. Na ensem na etwegu no e dey prempre mi nsa enya aso so se. Sa na eye gunman. E na endi sa nyambrasem no. O za video kakra ye etwegu. Okay, oko page no so e da ho ya discussion kakra ho. A etwegu abrantie e bu ni jiri. O de twawani akon ma hwe kakra. Sa video yi meni wo ka say de enya ne nteye se yazoa no ne ye bekwa akwa hwe sa video na ansa ne ye bekwa hwe sa video no ababa bi kansam efa ga emema ho na menya bre na munim the difference between the ga dangbe no mi be kirem a kirem yiye pa enti yenkoti ababa wa nyanyum asem ne bi mbrasisia.
For some reason, I knew that it was a gunman. It is only a gunman who can do this. In Cranny Bema, and a bit me I run a year and one bono in Cranny. In Cranny Bema, they can do anything. For some reason, I knew it. I said that no, this man is a gunman. Only for me to hear the second Odate Lamte. My dear, gunmen. They are the most laziest people me I have come across. And if they say abusive men, it is gunmen. Especially gunmen, very abusive. Go to Bukom, go to Choko, go to Odoko, go to the gun areas and see how men abuse the gunmen. They abuse women. Gunmen, they don't respect women. Gunmen, they insult women. Insults. Gunmen can beat. It's only a gunman who can do this, my dear. For some reason, I knew he was a gunman. I knew it. Oh, I knew. I say, gunman, a coming kwa, and a gunman. Nobody will marry a gunman, a man who is a gun, because they don't respect women. They don't use women to do anything. 99.9 of gunmen abuse women. They don't also take care of children. Gunmen, they don't take care of kids. They don't respect anybody. They are lazy. They are not hardworking. They abuse women. Now me, that woman, you see, and do you know the gun community, the women, when they are beating them like that, they think that the beating is love. Oh. You don't know. You see the way she was sitting down and she was crying. Oh, please, somebody. She doesn't have legs to run. Like she was not having legs to run. She will stay on the floor. If the man is going to bring cane from the room, she will stay on the floor for the man to, and then she'll be crying for the man to go inside, go and bring the cane, and she'll be patiently waiting for the man to come and continue beating her. Very stupid, very silly. You said people should come. You cannot take you cannot run with your two legs. You cannot run with your two legs. Women, they will beat you and you will die, and we will talk about it for 2 days, and then that will be it. That will be it. Garmen. One day I'll come and share a story about me, my grandmother. She married a gunman. I say, this man beats gunmen. If you see a gunman, run for your life. They are very lazy, and I don't want to use some words to be.
Na baby am video me ni ko source ya me hu se nkrofo ka se even accounts for cry evers ye obi aye ampa obi aye na ma me nchire bu kakra ye ka the gun dangbe na the gun dangbe ni ye gun adan krobo ani ningo tie ni ye pa enti ye what the guns ye na ye ka dangbe kasa what I say ye wɔ the guns, ye wɔ adan, ye wɔ ningo, and ye wɔ krobo. It will be a honuma, or who so be can gakasa crampona, or say, eh, we a croboni, we a crobo, there be crobo for the way east, you know. Ye and when you good greater crowd region, you know. What you say? It's the dance, the dingos, the guns, you know. Ahem. Into your bag gun for no way. O so nice saw me, or Kasaka crowd, or saw me, or chest saw me, ne, or do on your do not this animal, more. No can answer no. It's not about our way, Chimo, but so just the God dangbe tribunal, the guns no, Mom, you saw me back here, Mom, crack and cran, no more and cran crono, mucrano, or Mumu bako, that is our brantia no, or your gun, na or move abra bob, muban, media, me family knew who be that. Now, maybe it's way, me, cram me free, so me pemu bema. And I say, kura ye related to me kasa, and me kasa nuanu bi mempe. Mama side o, papa side o, mempe. I prefer say me ko kuro fufuro so, tribe fufura o, no mini o muni traka bia, na mahwe mu asem, na mahwe de e wo ho no so. Me de kafra, e mema nina, tribe ni nina, obetime nya bema ni danka bom. Bema bi wo ho no ma won madam, so na no. Nano. Bema bi wo honuma, madam. Me say, won bie na no nkaso, nanso wo ye mean. Ye can meanness. Wo ye mean. Ade a bema ne be ya kire wo no, be ka se kafro adwin ne we di mu dem. We di dem. Enti abro ne de e wo be bia. Mini Muslim ni a obo ne yere. Minim akan ni a wo bo ne yire ya kwante na anya kwhwe ko ne kwhwe ade ne die unya bia na wada onyame ase unya papa ewo mu ana unya bema wodwo wakosko na ni bia woto ne zip mu obu oba afari a oba obu ni maame se bu oba one ne wo ho a na wada onyame ase onya ade wo mpem kurampo na wa pedro bi di amano asasa na na me nu kase UTV4 I interview obi a no was seen honum no I mean police for no copy was seen honum no ajimu nchire mo ekwa kamia ye say nsem no nkofo engine ye bo UTV de ani wie so a me sa de another station dia eno so witness a onim asem ni mu ensem ni bi ba be kire ekwa UTV for de ani bi ba sese a
no yeti motumi a che no
Pacho eye enwa animwe ena police for a papa.
Oh, okay. And you may be time, Ben.
Anyway, by 9 o'clock more.
9 p.m. Wow, my video name them one.
Oh, you video no in Temkasa by a year.
Okay.
You know, not say a dear.
Right, internet just say which ya chia brand it's bo amunji story ni ndi no. Ya che no. Na obi susu ko PM or another radio station. Na sama all can say abrante ma ye njai no cause ni subanya owo mu ano no. Na yen kwesi bi mbra so say so.
See, who susu say you don't know there, but who susu say the enti no bo no.
Like say oni obi nya aseme wo fie hono a na say oni nipa na ekona say madam ne try to interfere na wabo no won say obo madam ne kasa no say beje mi nko biem pacho mi nko biem. The lady went away because obo the first one my lady ne koye inti oba biem no or friend no catch and say enkwala no on say ono no te hono no brother no always go or properties na dey that like ye ka say ye ka beje ya asema ade be chi o papa we nyame na etia ne ka ada no sa no tie even in the family sa no mu nyina tie me brother ba ko me ne wife na ebe wa bu na ama ne sisru nyina etutu into your area had ye king kon ankasa ye chi no kotum dan po obo say e beli no into we ya ban so mu ye mpesa o mbeja no ye pesa o mon fanin fam bra kwai so sa no ye the first wife ojano because of a bronty first wife in the giant koi and I we so buy the same thing. This is not the first time our partner will say you said the service. This is not the first time, but yes I am so yes ferry me brother back or your mason and or free you come buy be ye juma or ye juma my brother we or we on funny sikamana or bono. And see, I same way see ye or by me chamber catch and sister yam di master mamma. And to me, brother, no quarter anointing oil say, or bompire goose say, Yamin Diom and Temasem, Emana. As I see our hangina, men person make casabe, but yet the Yanko wants to say, see. Now, often she and lesson. So,
hello. Ye pese wo kasa bebre na kire ne omamu. So what if you be an art area hobby?
Me area hoba me ne brother ketwa eyere like me ni omu nyina neti the same way. Eto de bi kra me ana me kopata kwa.
Wa kokora kopata ntokwa wo fie order.
Ai ma kopata ntokwa wo like me brother no ono so bo yere the same thing. Me ni mo ka say si akra na obi witness every order ka kire me say na even and run oshia brother ewa ho hare so like ewa musieyen chen on ma ordinary speed but no onim baby a and according to the person who told me they say sister we all call you 3 days ya na oba or call you 3 days in a friend catch and say enkwala na fe no enti ombra and a sister nso ba o se enkwala na fe ni enti sister ne mbra and a sister ne baaye and any a bra and dry you so both because 3 days we are no buy so tani free baby or one buy or to me buna madam ne koda kiosk mu nyina o or to me buna madam ne koda kiosk nti e ade a oye
right nti usha baba we yakopie mu onua station na wonu su kire mu wo so ye eyewitness won ti fie hod mu bi na ye kire mu a na de say eye tenant ni bi na twa video mi tenant me no anka betu afirifie wo we fie wo ni nka da tu firifie o wate enyo so mbabu prawotu jusika ne sa akobo aban amane ne fa wonsa ohu nyina sha aban sa na ye mu eya yesra mu ko han dan a eya mu fe kire mbisa area mu ho nsam kakra fe kire ene sa dan hu ya na ho pre na ko han yo edu be afa wa tuta form ye wa dan bi wo ko han ya sa dan na ye ba be wia o enyo obi ye fie wi aba de be wia o ye wa dan bi wo ho ko han a mesi wuko adwuma na another person so aba be bie door no we wura dan mu no what you say wo check oniema wo ye oniema inspection enti wuko na wuko han dan fa wa soto form ade bi wo ho ba na enda ya safa ade no to baby foforo na sa hwese the next day no ade no be ba na shift a me de me dan edan ya metim no madan na me ho samale me say me wo ha sense me da so wo ho wo be ba me sheda de niema bi place tutututu baby ye na me hwe se okwabena ne baba bewura ho no ma na kosi se ya gidi pendi o nipa wuji ni di na da ase no angine ndi nti no wo ha wo dem wo ma na de bibia ato ewo ma wo phone ya wo phone set camera set recorder wo dem ho no kototo to camera nkitikiti ne fa si baby na check ya de hwe na me da kura me record me ho me da me check de me da ba dem ho no me twa de ni ho de it's a brand ya channel me ba cho mama ma ye nye can say ye a brand ni su no ye mfa nkwanko tare tribe ho ni no woni suban wo ya abro na ye no it's ni se ye di sa de ne bata tribe bia ye wo de ne danka ye ne ya we wutema ye se ebusua ne sa na mote ne bra ba ko wa bo ne gira ma ne sini ne tutu we so wa bo the first wife ejano mami kura information amina ne se wa bo na mo wa ko no wasa akopa acho wasa aba mu bi wa mo ndo mo ho na me kura mpo no body gestures kasa chere me na bi pe baby di biti afa wo be ma bi wo ho no ma won kan chere wo se pak oniema na ko yawa wadi wo be femu no wa na betu hu fo se baby e druidie se wo dignity kakra be left in you a wo be ko nti yesra mo papa no we ejapade mame betimi aye wa wadwuma nya we japade mesrew minimo bi oyo defo pa anadwo nansa na ne bibia hwere ne minimo bi awo yo defo minimo bisuso woni ne ho hwe na anadwo na nsa ne urade ehira no nti abrabo na yen kakra se wodi ewo mu se wo beye yi a me se unkokura bom krampo beye yi me se be no ka se minimo bia no was struggle akọ hospital ba enei oyoke nti esrebo muntutu mu niema ye ma me de meka no makabia me fiti ka sa asem enye nde uyoba emma small money chance unnecessary atoto emma nkofo pressure mfao mimi se mi si hei joni minim se weeks a rivons egumi dem no enye rivons ketwa empabo egumi dem no enye mpabo ketwa entare egumi dem no sister enye entare ketwa enso mitimi di mani si ade ba akoso me sha enye bibia me remind me ho se de be as a situation in Dania na mi kura ba akwa know how to handle it mi kura mi know how to handle it mitimi nas na the whole year na nkrofo ti mabobi once pe mitimi nas na the whole year na rivon kwa de butu yeti kwa so kwa me butu bi da bokon sa enye bibia ye self discipline bia me de ama me ho me se mitimi tu mani si mpabo ba akoso me sha enye bibio ye self discipline a me de ama me ho cause from until what that into me obi ntimi ntop pressure ma me tu mani sisa de we so say me ya eno na me ye alongside and on the flip side then I'm saving ubedi de wo pe de wo pe ho na abe ye ho na nso no unkom ma na be ma na ne woda ma wuska be ma na ne woda obi bia da be ma so a da be ma be catch us a pack oniema ne ko adapa be de du da be ma be ka se mi mpe ubiem se be ma ono hyew wo hia be ma na be ma no wotetema wudi asusuma ni ode bebre ote wotetema wo no na wo fa wo ho adwen na wo save wo bi ode be ma no e ma ore mfi wo pe ode wo ho cause dodo na ohyewo mutrim obetime gya wo si kwantin fi dodo na kafro mo danka bom obetime gya wo si kwantin fi obetime choose obi foforo over you. It's in who building the bearman, now who build the home, so the bear. What jealousy quantifi crampona, who 1 year with your mouth won't depend who will be so. You can decide to stay single, you can decide to live single, you can decide to disobey what you called it. A kind of natural. So, about brother, we wage man, I would do sika, Edo. Sister, I wish somebody me aka ni natural. So wo usika na wudi anede. Wo to de wo pa anede. Nti ma mom build mo why? Kakra ebe fa and depend wo be ma so. Why? Edi na no ani miss cover girl so fem cover girl mejo so tap send so mas name. Na me de concern in 360 de ba be so mo tap send de kwenti a. Obi afa so de send this kadema na do for no mo face. So send this kind of during the process no. Your babies of your promo code me show you for the TV. Fashion of farm. So this show America bet you $10 free. So now over any of the European countries so they bet you €5 free. Everybody you know and no one miss cover girls. So from cover girl me so macro.
So physical money and put me do rap to say. So me send jam in a minute in Sabakandia. And then one tap send.
Yeah, ebusiafo, you didn't na nakuma patchlewa 1. They recommended tap send amamo. And that's how for ba, o send ko fa baby a. Na ya basa. Omo rating so ye. Omo ye A1. Nti obian road do tap send. Na on say sika for tap.
Yebo hu de wo kire amansan yebo hu de wo kire gala fose yewo akwantu ne di sike kofi nie me yen fa ba bia ye be nu yen tap edemu fuwa tap send in this street
The tap de no ana ko.
Tap, and one na
Piao.